Pibaro ginigilongki khubor bamdagasngi. Ka program Our Magnificent Meghalaya Vision 2032 ban kenmau ya prasnem jungka sarkar MDA lapalong ne happy e Sangma Sport Complex Tura. Lawan benta kani ke jingyalang de umenturang ba ke jila Konrad ke Sangma ke sembut menturang ba prestun tensong bat nyau bhalang dhar speaker ke ying darbar thau an Thomas e Sangma umentri katna tourism bat agriculture and Farmers Welfare Timothy D. Shira, but Womentrika Public Health Engineering, Soil and Water Conservation, but Housing Marquis and Marang. Ringkat ki Mentri ki MLE but ki hipat ki riu rangba. Habakran haganika program Womentri rangba konrat ki sangma ula paidian shakalanti jingya jengka sarkar hagini ki prasnem. Da ke bagadaw baga jingya lenti kamshamla long kabasuk nrei kaladam da ki jingye. Ulai khublai ru ye ka jingkershan bat jing e jingi pat ba ki bla penla e ka sarkar ban jam shakman ulong ru ba ka sngi Meghalaya de menta ulai yo shithi na umentri rang ba du kari India ubla ai jingero ye ka jilla halor ka jing kala ha ka liang ka yo ka kot ba ka jingla ban penne e ka discipline ha ka liang ka pisa tingka Targum ke jingya tu ujung umentri rang ba wala ki jingte ki surok ki school ki hospital bar ki jingya te ying sarkar ki long ki ba kongsan rei ka jingjap ka krautam kadai haba ka sarkar kala ban wanra ye ka jingmen ha ka jing imjong ki pat ba kamdei tang shaphangi building na ki project kadai shaphang ka jingkala ha ka jing imjong upat ba ong u convert ki sangma ulakan turu yi pat ba begini trailang ha ka jingya tali da ka ba ong ba ka jingya shun ha ki jat ben riu ni ki kinhun kamdei ka lentin rei ka jingya tali ka ka borjong ka jilla umentri rang ba ula batai ru ya lai ru kam ka jing pynroi ka bangila ban yo sngo ling ba ki jing pinna ba ki policy ka jing pynroi ka bangila ban yo I kum ki surok ki school ba ki hospital henrei ka ba kong santam ka jing pynroi ka ba upat ba ula ban sngo ha ka jing imjong Usembut menteri rang ba prestun dan song loong bakani ka singi kalong ka bakong san namar ka sarkar MDA kalas dang ya ka jingya lenti jongka ha ka hendriu tarik ulber arhajar khatpra hapo ka jingya lam u konrad ki sangma ula pentip ru bahagani ka singi la sam jingïarap pisa ka babun shakinong yo jingïaram ka jingya sam chat tang hagani ka singi ka kot hadu arspa arpo kror tingka ka balet bet shakinong yo jingïarap uloong U Speaker Thomas is sangma ula ai jingero yegi jingjap ka sarkar MDA bar ula ai khublai yu menteri rangba ula kalalong u menteri rangba ba bat slamtam ha ke history ke jilla Meghalaya ula pen pauru ba ka sarkar ba kalyang persya kendai bania trailang ban pen ulong ka vision 2032 u menteri ka tourism but agriculture Timothy D Shira Ulong bagi program balawan rak de ke sarkar kelawan rak ke jingkala ke bapa ke jing imjong ki pat ba bad ula kentu ye ki pat ba bagin ai ke jing trailang bante ye ke Meghalaya ke baki ushaprang ha ke jing da umentri Marcus and Marak ula ai jing tren piang sobha bad ula ong ba ke jingla ke sarkar ben pendep prasnem ke dina mar ke jing kershan ba ke jing shania jong ki pat ba Hagani ka program umentri rangba ula pelat pat ba ke Chief Minister Scholarship Scheme na ke bentau snem puli arhajar arpsan arhajar arpnriu kabakot palat san kro tingka berkaba mentoi hadu kandai prajan nyospa san puingut ki samla puli ha ke jilla lapri pat ba ru iken uniform grant lingba ka direct benefit transfer DBT kabakot palat lai kro tingka na ke bentau san pawajan gut ki samla puli Kinong yo jingïarap na ka CM Scholarship Scheme but CM Farm Plus Initiative kile sam ya ki jingye kendo jingye but jingyo jingïarap jongki da ga babatay kumno kini ki program kila penkala bhai ka jingim jongki La sam jingïarap pisaru sya kinong yo jingïarap hapo ki program kum ka CM Farm Plus CM Elevate Seed Scheme CM Homestay Mission Green Meghalaya Plus Initiative but VDVK Food Cart Program Hagani ka singiru umentri rangba ula play pat ba da ka remote ya shispa iwe tali ki community hall ke balate hakaling ka jilla. Hapo ka project for community based forest management and livelihood improvement in Meghalaya. Kaba jingïarap lang da ka Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA bar ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund. Shu ula play pat ba ru ya pratali ki warehouse but common facility center CFC Hagathan Garu Hills. Ibalate hapo ka CM Elevate Initiative ban penklan ki karkhana shinong bad kilat kamay jakpo. Ya gani ka program la pelong hapo ka pang Our Magnificent Meghalaya Vision 2032 kaba thumu ban pan pawi ka jingya linti pynroi ka jilla hakini ki prasnem barban kan tiu ye ka jing shakri pat ba ka jingte infrastructure ka bane islam ka jing penhe ikila jingyo kam jingyo jam na ka benta ki pat ba ka Meghalaya.
Our legislature has remained a forum where differences are expressed, but where the common interest of the people of Meghalaya ultimately prevails. This magnificent stadium in which we are gathered here, this itself is a symbol of the new Meghalaya we are building. A state that invests in youth, in sports, and in world-class infrastructure to unlock talent and opportunity in every corner of our state. I would also like to congratulate our Chief Minister in advance. When by tomorrow, he will become the longest serving Chief Minister for a stretch, continually for more than 8 years. In the years ahead, our focus must remain on empowering our young people, strengthening our rural economy, and protecting our environment, and also ensuring that every citizen's
Uni strategi, uni vision of Pamchaki, Tanka Anio, Sakanti Jamanigo, Meghalaya State progress of Manigo, or Meghalaya State all front, Kagamut level of Tantuanico, Mesokna Nani, Asero Maha. Alia Plakan, Team Meghalaya Asero Maha. Team Meghalaya, one of the Chief Minister in leadership, Black Cabinet Minister, Emilera, Black Officer, actually, district level, Black Officer, Block level officer, Team Meghalaya, Ya, Radhanico, Radhuina. Uliman program, kalau hai kenam ke bagi, tentang kata aku kenam ke, ajung ya achievement na, nak besar ko matela, ajung ya progress na, nak besar ko matela, ajung mo tentang macam, ajung ni Meghalaya State ni progress na, tentang agar ko kami percaya macam kenam ke. So with this few words, I would once again extend my warm welcome to each one of you for celebrating this 8 years of NDA government. Riba Jojo Paibu.
Tachi R. Sangma, Barsamia G. Marak, Ronita Marak, with Nelson Marak, Demdema, Dijon Sangma, Demdema, Epson Sangma, Demdema Block, Danchi A. Sangma, Gambigre, Kalme B. Marak, Gambigre, Kenggapaura Chakingapa Srimati Thadakchi M. Sangma, Jogdagre Babadam Nyongma, Thadakchi M. Sangma, Dauni Section Letter Prangs Kagen, Jogdagre Babadam. Uni Jamano Jol Ancheng East Garwils ni Sri Jimmy Carter D. Sangmano Onats Kagen, one name Mandal Grenyo. Srimati Jimmy Carter D. Sangma, name Mandal Gre. Uni Jamano Srimati Miganchi and Marapna one Onangs Kagen, one Iman Songmoni Wa South Caro Hills. Miganchi and Marap. Sarni da siya kagata noksara na mamang chang daw mamang na ya chabi ko thari man chabi ni model kosan ona tari ko da kanggen. Chokcham VDVK West Caro Hills ni chakpa ko dapat na ay manong food cart ng luman. Dabram VDVK. Uni Jamano Jol na Pak VDVK. Uni Jamano Dosa Girls VDVK, Arobon Kame Rongdan VDVK. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister Sir, and all our distinguished guests, all our MLAs, all Sirs, Cabinet colleagues for helping us sort out the list as well as distribute these checks here at the very last moment.
For us to go through the journey of the last 8 years. But it is the blessings from above, the love of the people, the support of our citizens, because of which we were able to overcome most of the challenges that were there in the last 8 years. On Meghalaya Day this year, I have received a letter from the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Apart from congratulating the state on its statehood day, he congratulated the people of Meghalaya for the tremendous economic transformation that has taken place in our state. That state today is the second fastest growing state in the country after Tamil Nadu. And if you think of it, who would ever dream that one day a small state like Meghalaya would be competing with the more advanced states in the country, states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Meghalaya today is in those leagues in terms of the economic growth that we are seeing today. It is not a small step, but it is a very, very important and a decisive step towards our goal to transform the state of Meghalaya. Honorable Prime Minister mentioned in his letter that while achieving this tremendous economic transformation, Meghalaya has also ensured that we have kept our fiscal discipline, have managed our resources and finances in a very, very prudent manner. And that also is a very important signal to show that while economic growth is important, it must be done in a sustainable manner, in a balanced manner, keeping all aspects of economics in mind. And whatever challenges and difficulties we may face and we may have, we will find a way. We will find a resolution. We will find a way forward. But hating other tribes, hating a different community is not the solution or not the way forward. We need to discuss, we need to talk, and we need to find how we can find a resolution to the issues that are there in front of us. Unity will always be our strength. And I hope that in the days to come, we will work in a united way to take our state forward. On this 8th anniversary of the NDA, it is only appropriate for me to thank my cabinet colleagues. Without their work, their efforts, we would not be where we are today. I would like to thank our MLAs who have been very, very supportive of the government in whatever we do. My special thank you goes to our officers, those who are working in offices, in the secretariat or departments, and those who are working in the field. You are part of Team Meghalaya. And no matter what position you are in, your contribution matters. Sometimes they make challenges, which is natural. But it does not mean that we should neglect our people or forget about the purpose for which we are all here, which, as I said, is ultimately to serve the people of our state. I hope that this day will reignite our sense of purpose and passion to continue working dedicatedly, no matter what the challenges and no matter how tired we get. We will not forget our responsibility towards our people. That is the thought that I would like to leave you all behind. What is the development you can hear? The foundation stone was laid. The government has decided. The policy has been created. We hear the development. That is the first form of development which is there. The second form of development is a development that you can see. So after the foundation has been laid, when the building is complete, when we see that building, that is a development that you can see. Oh, new building has come up. That is the second form of development. The third form of development, which is the most important, is the development that you can feel. So you heard the development, which is the building, the foundation stone was laid. Then you saw the development, which was the new hospital that came up, the new building that came up. But you will feel the development when a person's life or a mother's life is saved because of that hospital. And that, my friends, is the development we should all be pursuing. It's not about foundation stones only. It's not about the hospital building or the school building only. But it is about saving that life. It's about educating those children and transforming their lives. It is about the help that we have given to the farmers so that their lives are changed. The development that you can feel. And that is the reason I say that my greatest satisfaction and my biggest achievement is to be able to bring a smile on a person's face. Because when you are able to get a development that one can feel, you will bring that smile to the person's face. Nasimani taksakanina, nasimani kuponganina, ang atang sa Meghalaya state ni black citizen ng Kuapa, isa katong nabatsi, ang magtemas ka. Yeah, but see, check anniversary celebration. Ba manya niya, ang ni Ogja, ang ni cabinet ni Ogja, our government ni Ogja. Yeah, manya niya, actually state ni, citizen ba public ni, ba nagsimang ni, manya ni, Ominga. Uli naman tao, tentang program kami through. Actually public rana, mathel ari same ko isokta. Rachar ni corporate crore ni, tentang beneficiary scheme na kuchka talo swala. Focus plus ni through crores of pre na mate, tangga pesara kuchka. Talo distribute kain. CM scholarship ni through laksa actually beneficiary student rana crores of top tangga pesa kuchka talo release kain. CM farm plus ni through stage subscription such logo madramasan check ko naya. There were more than 20 crore ko rota mate. Tangga pesa kuchka tentang beneficiary na Meghalaya state ni kona nagsuko tentang district na kuchka ang sini kami ni sa pa nagtanong na sa ya tangga pesa ko ingat. Orang sa lagi government of Meghalaya ni ba program scheme na buha ya program ko ya sal March ni 2 tarik ko sini government ni bersih check pemani ko public na sini betul lagi orang public na tentang macam benefit ko nang sungi talot sa ya program ko organize ka tentang actually beneficiary ang sa scheme ko sa talot swalaha pagirang kam siba namka pa magsungan niyo talot sa kam ko kaya Hayat sini kamera mo bago ba wala nang nabot ba? Singa ba perfect ka? Singa ba mandesa? Kung ka ba niya plak sini kam kaaniyo? Ano ba? May ba kamang susok na manjaw di? Ba may ba sini kamang namjaw di? Sina agani kumbo. Sina skibo. CM Connect program itu cuma hangnan public baksa agan berkinga bolbo berkinga public suggestion apa ayah bekam siba mamam nikah gri pano ba nasma nagpa suggestion ako naskude pano ba sini mistake ako correct naskude amat usukin Zatnya Sony state ni Namganina Talo kam kana Ska Poti Sudan Baha Unigaman Hayat Sim Mogna Dasyo Deputy Chief Minister Simangna Kaniyat Sim Bili Dulsi Kolgrut Pate Dia Talo Surkari Rogi Dia Kam Pakso Tentang government Jo Dia Minister Baha Tentang Chief Minister maksa biar kampa. Anda baca kam program policy rangko, ya MDA government yang kita polisi check ni disepo kam development atau public ni jangkita ni kadang aku cakap kita buat dah. Bini polisi kolgrut Minister Al ni somayo, ya MDA government kam kita biar taram kerja. Ini lalu jadi CM semangat sakit kopinya. Ini yang berperak acing yang cukup rata. Lokapai sol acing yang cukup kopinya. Acing kubongan angge. Kubongan itu apa don? Hai dah acing baru ba? Agree kan saya baru ba? Ah, sini saja pun jangan. Siapa tangan dia kerja bersama? Baru pada disagreement tu lagi. Debat disagreement tu lagi kemana cungku? Ngom jauh deh. Terpegang, ansidan, ansinya songan, tak degpang kembali mungkin. Nasimani tak cakap ni lah. Nasimani kupongan ni lah. Amat bukan macam Meghalaya state ni black citizen aku apa bisa tak terdapat amat temas tak. Ya bersih check anniversary ni celebration. Bamanya ni Angni ubjan, Angni cabinet ni ubjan, our government ni ubjan. Ya manya ni actually state ni citizen ba public ni ba simam ni mania ni pengingat. Uli kita tahu tentang program ni through actually public rana mathel ali sim ko sokta recak ni corporate crore ni tentang beneficiary scheme rana ucap talu suara focus plus ni through crores of pre na mate tangga pesera ucap talu distribute kaya CM scholarship ni through laksa actually beneficiary student rana crores of top tangga pesera ucap talu release kaya CM farm plus ni through stage subsequent such dua mandara masan check ko naya the more than 20 crore ko rota mate tangga pesera ucap tentang beneficiary na Meghalaya state ni kona nuksuko. Tentang district na magsna ang sini kami ni sa apa. Nagtangan na sa ya tangkabe sa ko ingat. Walang sa lagi government of Meghalaya ni baka program scheme na buha. Ya baka program ko. Ya sal March ni 2 तारीख को sini government की बंसी check को मारी को public ना sini betul pelani और public ना tentang macam benefit aku tentang sungai taluk sekaya program ko organize kaya tentang sini beneficiary macam scheme aku sekarang taluk swalaha. Pengirang bekam siapa? Nampak apa maksudnya niyo? Dalam sekat kamera ko kain. Hayat sini kamera ko bago pa gawalan nila ng nabot ba? Singa ba perfect siya? Singa ba mandesa? Kung hindi ba niya plak sini kamera niyo? Ano ba? May ba kamera susok na manjaw di? Pamay ba sini kamera manjaw di? Senang agani untuk senang skibo. CM Connect program itu cuma hamnan public paksa agan berkenya, golpo berkenya, public suggestion apa ayah, bekam siapa, mamam ni dekat green, panoba nasimang nampak suggestion aku pas kude. Paano ba sini mistake lang ko correct na skude amat usukin jat niya soni state ni namganina talo kam kana sa pati sunar pa unigaman hayat sin mona dasyo deputy chief minister semanga maniya sin bili bulsi kolgrat patte dia talo सरकारी रोगे बिया काम को पाचो तंग गवर्नमेंट जो बिया मिनिस्टर आहा तंग चीफ मिनिस्टर मक्सा बिया काम का आहा अंदर बा जे काम को प्रोग्राम पॉलिसी को या एमडीए गवर्नमेंट या तबा बंसी चेक नि दिसे को काम का ए डेवलपमेंट और पब्लिक नि संगीत मानी दादा का कुछ ना के काम हुआ था बिनी बंसी को Minister of Kan ni Somayo yang sini NDP government kami tabia taram kan ani lalu jadi CM semana sakit ini oni berpegang action yang cukup rata lokapai sol action yang cukup ini action kubongan angke kubongan itu apa don Haidama sing banoba agriculture banoba aha sini sanchebo jenga siapa tangan de kare ke soba banoba de disagreement to mai deba disagreement to mai ko mana chinku ngom jaute the program an sindan an siya songan ta big pang kemani okay.
I would like to share with you that time when we formed the government under the leadership of our Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sharma on the 6th of March 2018, and the journey is not that smooth. There were so many challenges, so many ups and downs. But ultimately, with the blessing and guidance of Almighty God, we are reaching to the journey of 8 years. I'm a bit saddened to see. I thought today being the celebration of 8 years journey, the whole region of Garo Hills will throng to this place and celebrate the blessing and the initiative taken by the government. I'm so sorry to say, but it looks deserted. My dear friends, young boys and young girls, why didn't you come and witness this important function that we have? Thousands of beneficiaries are being blessed with these programs, with this initiative in the name of Chief Minister's Social Service Program. Where are you? Are you trying to say that you don't like this program? Are you trying to say that you don't like that our people grow? May I therefore humbly let us open up our eyes by doing this. It doesn't mean that you don't like Quran. It doesn't mean that you don't like press code. It doesn't mean that you don't like the government. But it may deflect otherwise. Maybe you don't like or people in the rural area to grow. So may I request members and leaders of NGOs, please come forward. The door is always open. We are here to discuss the issues, whatever issues you have. I knew your thinking is also for the future of Meghalaya, for the interest of the religion, no doubt of it. But you need also to respect. You need also to respect the program like we have today. This program is dedicated to our people, to our poor people, be it urban and rural areas. So I call upon each and every one of you, work together with the government. Let me tell you one thing. From 2018 till today, God has shared the responsibilities to our leader, Sri Karnat Sangha, where ultimately he translated these dreams of our late P.A. Sangha. He wanted to see that poorness does not at all exist again in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, so many social schemes we have. So many social schemes, be it for old, be it for young, be it for the students. All social schemes are here with us. It is in our doorstep. So I leave it to all of you. Are you willing to take this opportunity? And I should say this is the golden opportunity that we have.
Satisfaction I get, and the biggest work I should tell everybody that I have done is being able to bring a smile to the citizen's face. That is my biggest achievement. It is not the big developments and the buildings. It is that smile. It is that difference that I can make in a person's life. And I think that is what drives this government. I asked Deputy CM, Bapaston Tinso, that you have been in so many governments before. What do you think is different? And is it different? Is it better or worse? And of course, we all know he just spoke. He said that it's very different because a lot of things are being done. A lot of development is being done. But then he added at the end to say that while we're doing all of this, the best part about our government is that we all enjoy what we're doing. Nobody is working here because he has to work. People today, whether it's government officials, whether it's MLAs or ministers, we are working here because we find a sense of purpose that's driving us. We are being able to make that difference. And because we're able to make that difference, we all are enjoying what we're doing. And I think that is what makes this government different from others. Others have also developed. Others have also done different kind of work. But it is the positivity. It is the sense of not giving up. It is a sense of working towards a purpose, a vision, a goal. Knowing that whatever time I give, it will translate into something different and something positive for some human being in our state, some citizen in some corner of our state. And that is what drives this government today. We are here to serve the people of our state. I am not celebrating 8 years of MDA government, as correctly mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM. We are here to celebrate the people of our state. We are here to celebrate the 8 years of service that we have given to the people of the state. We are here to celebrate the lakhs and lakhs of lives that we have been able to touch in the last 8 years. And that is why this celebration is of great, great importance to us. Because it is not about Conrad Sangma, it is not about Kriston Tinsong or any of us. It is because it is about each and every one of you who's present out here. Friends, while we move in that direction, a lot of challenges are there. A lot of problems we face. But if we are together and we are focused in what we are doing, I'm sure that we will be able to overcome all those challenges.